Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here to unbox the lazy card that is provided by Lazypay, and as you can see the box is coming up with a written access the credit you deserve, and I can feel the solidity of this box. It's a bit heavy in hand, so without any further ado, let's open the box. So after opening the box we find something in a pink color. I'm not sure if it is an instruction manual or a guide to how to set the pin in the application. Okay, it's a normal card with happiness upload written on it and behind the Lazypay logo, and here are some benefits of having this card. So without any delay, let's open the box. I'm not sure what type of opening is this box. I think it's a pull card. That's so there's a center cut in this. So let me pull this box. Okay, finally here we go with the card, and I can see the card is pretty good, and I just love this opening type. I've never seen a card, to be mentioning again, I've never seen a card with this type of thing, and the card is looking pretty good and it's shining a lot. I've like just have a look at this card once. Let me try to refocus on camera on this. It's really amazing in Anfield, and look at the shiny glitteriness of this card. One thing that I'm really happy with this card, it's a Visa powered card and not any Rupee. That would have been great disappointment if that was a Rupee card. Man, it's really amazing and tempting to use. Look at the shiny glitteriness on this card, man. It's really made for the usages. So without any further delay, let me activate this card. And one more thing to mention, I'm really impressed with this card, man. It's like pull, close and pull, close and pull. And when I try to open this card single, it's not getting. Even if I hold tight one side, it's really hard to pull. So once after opening the Lazypay card, this is how the user interface looks, and we have to click on the My Card, and then there will be an option Activate Now. So click on the Activate Now, and then it will be redirected to enter the card details. That is your. So here we have to enter the card details and expiry date. After that step, you will be redirected to the OTP page where you need to enter the OTP, your date of birth, and the PIN needs to be set. And that's it. The card is activated, and you can use in physical stores or online like Paytm or any other application using the OTP method. So that you can check already the messages have been received and the card has been successfully activated. So that's it for today's videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please do hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.